Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need iOS 16, 4 or newer, and AirPods Pro 2 with updated firmware. This ensures compatibility. First, charge the buds to at least 50% and keep them near your device. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select your AirPods name to pair. If a prompt appears, accept any pairing request and follow on-screen prompts. Once done, make sure noise control and spatial audio are set correctly, so translation audio is routed cleanly through the AirPods during the next steps. Now open the Translate app or go to Settings, then Translate to enable Live Translate. This turns on the OS-level service that routes speech through your AirPods. Choose the source and target languages. Pick Auto Detect if you want language detection. Grant microphone permission when prompted and explicitly select your AirPods as the audio output device so translations play in ear. Make sure Live Conversation or Live Translate is activated. This engages low-latency processing for near real-time speech conversion. Begin conversation mode and speak in short phrases. You should hear translated replies through your AirPods. If audio is low or delayed, move closer to the source device and make sure no other Bluetooth devices are connected. Once done, try toggling Bluetooth, turning AirPods off and on, or switching output to the iPhone and back to reset the audio route. If problems continue, restart the Translate app or unpair and repair the AirPods. This often clears firmware handshake issues and restores live translation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.